Good morning, Nighthawks. I'm Kayla.
I'm Jesse, and these are your morning announcements for Friday, October 8th, 2021.
It's a great day to be a Nighthawk. You are somebody. The Yaz Club is inviting all girls who are interested to their Monday meetings from 3:30 to 4:30 in room A116. The Yaz Club is advised by Miss Henry in room B109. Come join this amazing group of empowerment. Do you enjoy baking? Are you interested in learning how to? Well, there's a club just for you. Baking Club is an open environment where all members share love for baking and can exchange personal recipes. Baking Club meets every Friday during lunch in room B207. If you have any more questions, see Ms. Chatra, the Baking Club advisor, for more information. We hope to see you there. For those interested in hosting fundraisers and learning how to make money, the NMC Business Club is now meeting Wednesdays after school in H108. All are welcome.
Next week is homecoming, and do you know what that means? It's another spirit week. Monday is sleep in and don't come to school day. It's actually a day off for us. Tuesday is pajama day. Wear some comfy pajamas to school. Wednesday is Decades Day. Choose a cool outfit from the 2000s, 90s, or 80s. Thursday is anything but a backpack day. So laundry baskets, luggage, use your imagination. And Friday is Spirit Day. Show your Nighthawk pride next week. There's no school on Monday, October 11th. So you have no excuse not to support our women's volleyball team as they take on West Campus. Junior varsity starts at 5 p.m. and varsity starts at 6 p.m. And don't forget,
Go Nighthawks!
Thank you guys for watching, and as always, it's a great day to be a Nighthawk. Caw!